You know, I'm mid-size but short. I'm 5'1.5" Is there any shame in my game when it comes to that? No, because clearly I'm telling you, I'm short and juicy. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to share with you an unsponsored video featuring a whole bunch of stuff I got from Temu. And this is 2 separate orders. I have another one on the way. So anyway, if you're interested in that, make sure you do not hesitate. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you just like seeing unboxings, clothing hauls, things like that. And leave me a comment. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into the stuff I already took out of the packaging. I have quite a number of things here. 2 of them are right in front of me. Glasses. If they're dirty, excuse them. This is the one my son has, but these are blue light glasses. Yes. And since I don't know if any of you guys are like most teenagers these days, or just like us all, we're looking at social media and all the blue light we're taking in is ridiculous. So if you don't have glasses, blue light glasses are wonderful. These were, I think they were like $1.99. I'm going to go ahead and list the prices and everything on the screen, but I'm going to show you. So I got this pair of black ones. So I let my son choose out of the 3. I got this pair. I got a pair that has like black fading into clear, and I got a clear pair somewhere. Okay. If I find them, I'll go ahead and insert a picture. So 3 different pairs. Like I said, these are the ones my son chose, so he wears this because he's forever in front of his cell phone. If you guys know anybody like that, get them some blue light glasses, if anything. Let's protect our eyes, okay? Because we don't need to be frying our eyes. This I already took out the box. Here's the box. As you can see, it's a fan. But the good thing about this fan, and I was going back and forth, I was like, should I get one that plugs in, or should I have one that is attached to a USB cord? Well, I ended up getting the USB one because I don't know if you're like me. I have a lamp next to my bed that has USB connectors in it. So I just connected right onto that and this pops on. So you cut it on. This is like a metal fan, so it's not flimsy whatsoever. I can take it wherever. And there's even also, I noticed a picture on this box where it shows someone with this in their car. Yes, so the thing about this, you can take it wherever. You can attach it to your laptop. You can attach it to most things these days. And a lot of these power strips have USB attachments anywhere, or chargers. So this, and it works. I have been using it, and it's very powerful, actually, way powerful than I thought. Super handy. So if you're like me, going through premenopausal hot flashes, or you just want your own personal fan, get this. Oh, my mom has already seen this, but her birthday just passed, and I got her slip-on turbans. You don't have to tie. And I thought this was pretty cute because this is a rose, so you can wear it to the back, side, or front. And I think I got her a black one, a teal one, a burgundy one, and this one, which I forgot to take to her house. But since she knows already, it's okay to share with y'all. So this was super affordable. Again, prices will be on the screen. I got my son some cargo pants, which I will just go ahead and put a picture. I did already take pictures. The black ones, he took those. And then I have cargo shorts. I'll insert pictures, but I got these too, and I thought these were so cute. But he didn't want them. So I'm thinking, I don't know, he likes long cargos, but not short ones. So I'm trying to figure out if I'm just gonna take these in and wear them for myself instead of sending them back. I don't feel like going through sending back stuff. I like that it has a drawstring that works, real pockets, deep ones, not little ones, pockets on the sides, real ones, and the material is good. Well, if you've seen cargos in the stores, you know, like the army fatigue ones, and the type of material it is, this is that material. So it's not any flimsy, weird material. These are real. So I got this pair, super cute. And you know, I think I'm gonna wind up. I think I'm gonna take them in a little bit and I'm gonna be wearing same thing, same design as the other cargo. That was one order I got maybe like 3 weeks ago. Then I ordered another one, which I've had almost for 2 weeks here. Y'all, I already have my Temu cart packed with a whole lot of stuff. If you haven't heard about Temu already, it is a online shopping marketplace. You can get everything under the sun. I mean, everything from your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room, clothing, pet supplies, furniture, car things. I mean, everything under the sun. When I say it's addictive, the app, I went ahead and downloaded the app because I seem to be scrolling through there all the time. And there's just so much stuff. Y'all, I am not playing, okay? So anyway, next one here. Now this is my stuff that I got, and this I will go ahead and show y'all what it looks like on. But since my birthday is coming up, I wanted to get something that says 1975. If you didn't know, yes, your girl was born 1975. And is there any shame in my game when it comes to that? No, because clearly I'm telling you. So anyway, this is the first sweatshirt I got. Everything's super affordable. Wow, quality on this. This is my first time taking it out. And y'all see the color. So you see I had to get it. Made in the 70s. Is that not cute? Look at the quality. This is fleece, super duper soft on the inside, and I got extra large. And by the looks of it, it looks like it's gonna be nice material, soft, nothing itchy. The tag is not itchy in the inside. Oh, and it's so soft. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. But that is the first item. And this is lavender. Like I said, super duper affordable. And I got it to go with my bracelet I got like almost 2 years ago, y'all. My Coach bracelet, which I just finally took out of his wrapper. Don't ask me why, but look. And y'all saw that lavender and purple wig I had, which was also for Temu, right? What can I say? I love my purple, my lavender, anything close to it. Okay, as you can see, everything is packaged separately in its own Ziploc bag, which I love. This is my first time looking at this. Okay, so these are army fatigue joggers, drawstring, the standard, you know, ribbing that goes on the top, the bottom. Now the material for this is a little bit thinner than I thought it was going to be. Hopefully it's not see-through. We're about to find out. But what is this made with? Let's see, I got this in an extra large. It is made with polyester and spandex, so it does not have cotton. It does have pockets. Not the deepest of pockets, but hey, it's all right. And I think this will fit from what I'm looking at, but we'll find out. Like I said, I'm going to be trying on all these items so you can see what they actually look like. So I'm not a pink girl, but I need to get something pink because I have some pink and burgundy Adidas that my oldest son got me like almost 2 years ago. So I'm gonna wear something pink. Now this, what is this? Oh, this is the romper that I got.
Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide.
I thought it was pretty cute when I saw it. I'm thinking about summertime. I don't know if any of you guys are, but you know what? Summer and me and heat, I just can't hang like I used to. So I want to get something light, something that I could just slip on and not think about pairing with anything, and just be as comfortable in the least bit of clothing that I can. So this has spaghetti straps. That's the front. It's not adjustable, but I think it said one size fits all, something like that. Oh, I got this in an extra large because I wanted to make sure there was going to be enough room. These are shorts. These do have pockets, and these are good pockets. This is not cotton. I can tell right now this is polyester, so you know, a lot of things you get what you pay for, and if you can get it affordable like I did, nice print. If you can see through the package. I don't know what the temperature is going to be like on my birthday, but either way, I wanted choices. I want to have a sweatshirt. I want to have a t-shirt. Here is the t-shirt. It's the 70s, baby. That is me. I can tell this is polyester and spandex probably. This is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. Whatever. It feels good, stretches both ways. And I got this in, what did I get this in? 1X. 1XL. I needed it to not be tight on my stomach because if any of you guys are like me, I need room in the stomach area. I don't got no flat stomach. Sorry, I don't got no so-called summer body. I think I got these to go together. So this is another camel pair of joggers. They're mostly gray. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I wanted some joggers, y'all, because I bought my youngest son so many pairs of joggers. I'm like, I ain't got no joggers. Let me get me some. So anyway, you see the standard band around the ankles, drawstring, and there's elastic in there. So, but the drawstring is there so you can adjust that string. And I think, did I get these in extra large? Yeah, extra large. Thinking I should have got a 1X. I don't know, but as long as they're not too, you know, skin tight and looking like they're still supposed to be joggers, that will be all right. But this is cute. Okay, what else I got? Okay, one more thing in here. Another t-shirt. Like I said, you know, I got these Adidas that my oldest son got me, and yeah, this is the pink. But I needed something to go with it. Okay, so this is an extra large. Kind of worried about the stomach area because I don't know if it's going to be big enough. But what does it say? You know, I always got to get something faith-based because that is me. Without the Lord, where would I be? Where would I be? So anyway, this says Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. I know that's right. Okay, and so the writing on this is black. I got this in extra large. This is cotton and polyester? I don't know. To me, it feels like a cotton and polyester mix. Let's see. Yep, cotton and spandex. Okay. Nice t-shirt. So I thought that was cute. Wearing some pink. It's only because of them shoes my son got me. If not, yeah, probably wouldn't catch me in pink unless it's hot pink. But anyway, by this time you have seen me try them on so you know what it is. My regular size, I'm in between a 12, 14, something like that. In between a large, extra large, 1X. You know, I'm mid-size but short. I'm 5'1.5" inches. And the last time I checked, I'm about 192 pounds, something like that. Yeah, so I'm short and juicy. So anyway, that is it. Again, this was not sponsored. These were 2 separate orders from Temu. I have a 3rd one on its way, and this one has quite a number of items in it. This one features, I think I got all accessories. So I got some sunglasses, nails. Did I get a bag? I think I got a bag. These are all accessories, so stay tuned for that because I'll be trying that on. It's nice to be able to get some things for myself, and it's affordable because money is tight. So, you know, if you're a little bit tight on the money, or you just want to save, or hello, we know what's going on with these prices. I would consider checking out Temu seriously. Like I said, it's addictive. There's so many things on there, and I am not done. There is a car cover that I'm getting for my car to protect it from sap that I'm ordering next, but I'm trying to space out everything. So anyway, I do have a discount code through Temu, so I'm going to go ahead and list that in my link. Shopping my links supports me. Again, this was unsponsored, so this is my own stuff that I decided to order, and I have some more things coming anyway. So enjoyed that. Let me know. Don't be afraid to comment and hit that thumbs up. Don't be afraid to subscribe, because I would love to have you join our rose garden here, and make sure you have on those notifications so you don't miss when I do post. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.